मधुराष्टकम की रचना प्रभु के परम प्रिय भक्त महाप्रभु श्री वल्लभाचार्य जी ने की है। मधुराष्टकम में श्री कृष्ण के बाल रूप का मधुरता से वर्णन किया गया है। श्री कृष्ण के प्रत्येक अंग, गतिविधि एवं क्रियाकलाप मधुर हैं और उनके सहयोग से अन्य सजीव और निर्जीव वस्तुएं भी मधुरता को प्राप्त कर लेती हैं। इस छोटी सी स्तुति में मुरली मनोहर की अत्यंत मनमोहक छवि तो उभरती है, साथ ही उनके सर्वव्यापी और संसार के पालनकर्ता होने का भी भान होता है। The verses in the Bhagavad Gita say that whenever there will be predominance of evil and decline of religion, I will reincarnate to kill the evil and to save the good. The main significance of Janmashtami is to encourage goodwill and to discourage bad will. It also celebrates togetherness. The holy occasion brings people together, thus it signifies unity and faith. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Whenever in the passage of time faith is weakened or is under attack, and whenever adharma spreads without control, it is then that I reincarnate myself with all my powers to restore faith. Shri Krishna Madhurashtakam, composed by Shri Vallabhacharya, is a unique stotra describing the sweetness of Lord Shri Krishna. It was originally written in Sanskrit and easily understood. Only one word, Madhuram, is repeated 7 times each in this Ashtakam. Ashta means 8. This stottra has 8 verses in it. It uses just one objective, Madhuram, meaning sweet or beautiful, to describe the lovely attributes of Lord Krishna's beautiful form, who is the master of sweetness and sweetness personified. It is evident from the Ashtakam that the devotee is fascinated to have a look at not only the beautiful divine sweet form, Sarvanga Sundaram Rupam of Lord Krishna, but also the very existence of the Lord by way of his moves, plays, pastimes. Madhurashtakam was created to lead the devotee in Pushti Marga, the path of grace, which involves a constant love-filled devotion to Krishna by various acts of homage, such as singing, kirtana, remembering, smarana, conceptualizing and beholding, darshana, a beatific image of the deity upon singing of the Madhurashtakam, and offering of services, seva. These acts enable the devotee to enter into the divine presence of Shri Krishna and to experience the Lord's real essence, Swarupa. It plays an instrumental role in the realization of the Lord. Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradipate rakhilam madhuram vachanam madhuram charitam madhuram vasanam madhuram valitam madhuram chalitam madhuram भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपते रखिलं मधुरम्. वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरो पाणि मधुरो पादौ मधुरो नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्। गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्। कर्णं मधुरं तरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं रमणं मधुरं वमितं मधुरं शमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्। गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीची मधुरा सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्। गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं शिष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्। गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्।